Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from our video on InShot mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my InShot, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First thing first, we have to overlay this video with the same video. We can go to PIP option, and then this is the same video. I'm just going to click on it to add this video to my project. Then we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen like this, and we're going to use mask to cover the unwanted object. Go to mask and you can choose the type of the mask. For instance, I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we can adjust the position and the size of the mask as well. And we're going to take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object. I'm just going to take this part, then we can click on the check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, now it's done. Then you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.